Reddit response to AI companies, pay up if you're using our content.
This is UMG right
here. We have lawyers.
I guess it's their content, even though it's the users that post. They own the content. It's on their platform.
Good luck. Good luck. Will, don't you dare touch my camera, by the way. That's exactly where I want to be. Right there. Barely hanging in there. Good luck. I mean, you better get an AI lawyer. You want to go after AI. Same for you, UMG. I just don't buy it. I really don't. You got to cut deals. You got to make things easier for consumers. That's what people are willing to fight for.
Yeah.
Reddit said it plans to start charging companies for access to its data that is used to train AI. Major players in the AI race like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google train AI models using Reddit's data. Well, among all other publicly available internet data that happens to be part of these enormous data sets. Reddit CEO told The Times that Reddit doesn't need to give away its data to tech giants for free. Yeah, but guess what? If you go and hide and you're not a part of it and it becomes the way in which people search and you have no play whatsoever, how's that supposed to go down? You understand what I mean? Like, if this Bing stuff is any indication of where we're going, do we even reach to these previously existing platforms? Or is Reddit better off just launching its own AI product? We're introducing a new premium access point for third parties who require additional capabilities, higher usage limits, and broader usage rights. A Reddit spokesperson told Insider that the company expands globally. We were working to create a more sustainable, healthy ecosystem around data. Well, they're, I guess, going to make it easier. If you can make it more convenient for these companies and actually provide them more data, then maybe you have a case. Maybe there's a case to be made. But only when you can provide more convenience, a better product. Then you might get it. But otherwise, it's like, well, where are you going to silo this stuff off where it can't get crawled at all? Seems hard to do. And then in the end, it's all this user gen stuff. I don't know how users even feel about it. The fact that all your data, like whoever's watching this, all your data, whatever you produce is training all this. Crawling Reddit, generating value, and not returning any of that value to our users is something we have a problem with, Huffman told The Times. It's a good time for us to tighten things up.
So, i.e., we want to make money.
Generating value and not returning any of that value to our users. But meanwhile, the users on Reddit are generating all the value.
Yeah, they're not getting paid.
It's interesting stuff.